The Material World 8. In a narration found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 4102, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised how to obtain the love of Allah, the Exalted. The love of Allah, the Exalted, is obtained when one avoids the excess of this material world, which are beyond their needs and responsibilities. Meaning, a Muslim should strive in this world in order to fulfill their necessities and the necessities of their dependents, according to the teachings of Islam. And they should strive in the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience according to traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Anything from the material world which aids one in these things is not in reality a worldly thing. Therefore, avoiding them is not required. But one must avoid those things which either hinder or prevent them from fulfilling these duties. When one persists on this attitude, they will only use the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. This is how a Muslim can keep the world in their hand and not in their heart. This is how a Muslim obtains the love of Allah, the Exalted, as this attitude causes them to strive in His obedience, which attracts the love of Allah, the Exalted. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6502. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.